Hey, what up? So I've bought a few bits for the car. One of them's pretty good, the others all little cosmetic bits, but let's not waste any time, let's have a look at them. So here we go, this is what we got. So big one, forge blow-off valve adapter, came with 2 stickers as well, so that's pretty painting. But yeah, that is going to be absolutely mad. It was about £70. I'm going to do that in the next video because the engine's still warm, so I'll do those in another video. But in this video I shall be putting on some stickers, some Insta handle, no one cares, and then 2 Sith Order stickers which I'm going to put there on the quarter panels. I think that'll look pretty sick because the whole idea for this car, well, my whole build plan really is to make it sort of a Star Wars themed-ish car. Massively nerdy, everyone will hate it but me, so that's fine. But yeah, I'll be putting those on, and it came with a free Mandalorian helmet sticker. Don't know where I'm putting that. Free sticker, bruh. I bought 2 new badges, which I'm hopefully going to paint black, just quick spray, and then colour the mini in red. I think that'll look pretty pang, because at the moment, you can't see it, but they're still chrome. So as part of the chrome delete, I want to get them blacked out and red letter and all that stuff. And then finally I bought some black LED sort of like fade-in indicators for the sides to replace these stock ones here. It's part of the chrome delete as well, because obviously they've got sort of a silver outline. I'm going to get some either some different full black side scuttles or buy a different set of these and paint them black and keep the S red. I don't know yet, but because I don't know what I want for that yet. I definitely wanted these, so I went ahead and bought those, so I shall be trying to fit them as well. I think that's pretty easy, just some clips. So yeah, let's try and get it done. Okay, so I just watched a video on how to get them off, and yeah, there we go, disconnected there. Okay, so we've got the side scuttle here. So we want to take this light off, so it should just be a clip there. Yep, there we go, it's got him off. Ooh, ooh, get all that, bruh. Okay, so we've got the new one here. Oh, yes. Basically just put it back in the way that it came out, which was like that. Should just line it up, squeeze it in, there we go. So this requires you to take the bulb assembly out of the old one, so that just pops out of there, and then you need to take the bulb out of there, just a horizontal gap where this goes in, and that should just snug back in there. And then I think we can plug it in and see if I blow the bulb. Whee! There we go. Look at that. That's pretty peng fresh. Let's pop it back in. Let me just, there we go. Whee! Look at that. Happy days. Like that. I mean, that's a pretty peng mod, because those lights for the pair cost me 15 quid off eBay. They were here next day, and already it makes it look so much better. And the sequential sort of sweeping thing, love it. Ooh, there's the other side done, looking absolutely epic. So those are done now. Let me show you the other side as well. Looking nice, very good. So next, try and put the, is that right? Yeah, put the Insta stickers on the windows. Cool. So first Insta tag is on. Looks pretty cool in white, stands out. Cool, second one on. I don't know what it is, but having the like Insta tags and just stickers in general on a car really sets it off, in my opinion. Right, so I'll finish off this video by putting yet another Star Wars keyring on. I got where is she? There we go. I've got a Geno so from Rogue One. Put that up there, but as you can see, what I've been using so far is a blue carabiner, which obviously doesn't go with the car. So I bought a red sort of ball chain thing, which I shall either put there or maybe down there, loop it across there. Okay, so what I've ended up doing is wrapping it around the back of the mirror and just sort of wrapping it around tight and then leaving it dangling there. So there we go, that's it. 4 stickers on, 2 side indicators which look sick. Put on the new keychain for the key rings. That looks pretty sick as well. If you enjoyed, as always, give it a like. If you didn't, don't. Do what you want. Overall, pretty happy with those mods. The side indicators were only 15 quid. Stickers, a couple quid. So all in all, probably about £30 for all of that. And I think it makes the car look heaps better. Stay tuned for the next one. I'll be putting the blow-off valve adapter on. But yeah, peace.